Every time
someone plans a trip to Ladakh, these are the few questions
that they frequently ask.
Well, Srinagar Leh Highway and Manali Leh Highway are currently open for goods and army vehicles, but not for bike and heavy vehicles. If I talk about Leh to Leh, then that is fully operational, including your Khardungla and Changla Pass.
Since you all are coming from the region like Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, in Ladakh air is thinner, which causes AMS frequently. The symptoms of AMS are headache, nausea and vomiting. 4 things to avoid AMS are proper layering, having enough water, having enough food and having enough sleep.
As for the COVID policies in Ladakh, you either need to carry a double dose vaccination certificate or a RT-PCR negative report which should not be older than 72 hours. Talking about the permits in Ladakh, you need an inner line permit to travel within Ladakh, like when you are traveling to Khardungla Pass, Changla Pass, Nubra Valley, Pangong Lake, Moriri Lake, Turtuk, anywhere you need an inner line permit whichever place is connected to a border. The inner line permit can be attained by visiting a Deputy Commissioner's office in Leh, which is open from Monday to Saturday 10 am to 4 pm. As for the Indian nationals, the permit is valid for 3 weeks and you will either need an Aadhaar card, voter card or driver's license. As for the foreign tourists, the permit is valid for 15 days and you will be needing your passport, visa and OCI card.
In terms of souvenirs, handmade handcrafts, local jewelries are worthy additions from the Leh market you can have. These are the food you can try.
Ladakh is very safe for female travelers. The locals are extremely supportive and friendly, and so is the local police of Ladakh, who is always on roads patrolling.
What makes Turtuk special is the fact that it's the last village of India on Pakistan border and became part of India only after the war of 1971. And something very unique about this place is that even after being part of Ladakh for so long, it is still very different in terms of its geography, in terms of the facial feature of local, in terms of culture and everything combined. Moreover, the route from Nubra to Turtuk is extremely beautiful and is something that is not to be missed when you're in Ladakh. Also, you can spot the Turtuk waterfall, which is a very rare sight to behold when you're in Ladakh, as well as Penamic hot springs.
So as you all know that Ladakh is a cold desert, so you need to cover yourself properly. It is advisable to carry at least 4 layers of clothes. Number 1, a warmer. Number 2, a quick dry t-shirt. Number 3, a fleece jacket. And number 4, and the most important, a thick down jacket.
Do a complete research about the places that you want to cover on the trip of your lifetime. Also, do keep yourself updated about the routes because some of the routes are closed in some months. Your budget of the trip greatly depends on the mode of transportation. So you can either hitchhike, take local transports, or you can opt for bike trip, or you can also opt for flights from Leh to Leh. Your accommodations can be hostels or homestays because they are a lot cheaper than the hotels. Also, do try to opt for a group trip because more the number of people, less the budget and more the fun.
We hope you found our answers helpful. If you've got any more queries regarding Ladakh, comment them down below and we'll be happy to help.